today's video. In today's video, we're going to look at dark spots and blemishes on the skin. What I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how you could get rid of these using natural ingredients. I'm going to use some amazing ingredients in this recipe, and these ingredients are known to clear the skin of scars, spot, any form of a hyperpigmentation, not only on your face but on your neck, your back, your feet, your elbows, your knees, you name it. However, there's a very special thing about this remedy because it's not only will help to clear the skin of spots and blemishes, but it will also help to boost the collagen production in the skin. It contains vitamin A, vitamin C, B vitamins. It also contains vitamin K, which are known to clear the skin of dark under eye circles. Just an amazing mix that is going to do wonders for your skin. So if you're looking to clear the skin of spots and blemishes, also if you're looking to get rid of dark under eye circles, if you're looking to get rid of dark knees, if you're looking to boost the collagen production in the skin by just lifting and plumping that skin and giving you that natural glow, come with me to the kitchen and I'll show you how to whip this up. I'll also show you how to use this on your skin for best results. So let's get in the kitchen and get this process going. Now here we have the main ingredient, which is fresh parsley leaves, and parsley is a great ingredient to use on your skin, especially when it comes on to getting rid of spots and blemishes. It is a natural ingredient that offers excellent skin lightening properties. That means that it is a wonderful ingredient to use if you want to eliminate discolored skin or dark spot on your skin. Fresh parsley is also great for clearing acne scars and any form of a hyperpigmentation due to acne or blackheads or whiteheads. So what I'm going to do with the parsley, I'm going to be blending, and for easier blending, I'm going to chop it in small pieces. You can choose not to chop if you have a powerful blender. Okay, so now I'm going to put this aside and I'm going to move on to my next ingredient, which is tomato. Another amazing ingredient to use on your skin, especially when you're looking to brighten the skin, clear the skin of dark spots and blemishes. Tomato contains vitamin A, which fade dark spots and blemishes, and also has vitamin B, which reduces wrinkles, fine lines, and encourages production of healthy new cells. Tomato also help to build collagen and maintain skin elasticity. So what I'm going to do with the tomato, just like I did with the parsley leaves, I'm going to be chopping it in small pieces for easier blending. Now tomato can also heal dry and flaky skin and also moisturizes and hydrates skin. The estrogen properties present in it tighten the large pores, and the natural acid of tomato help to lessen the production of oils in the skin. So now that is done, I'm going to put this aside and I'm going to move on to the next ingredient, which is potato. Now potato is awesome for dark spots and blemishes. It's great for lightening and brightening the skin. It contains catecholase, an enzyme which reduces dark spots, blemishes, and acne scars. The presence of the bleaching properties reduces the melanin production, lower hyperpigmentation, and lighten the skin effectively. So now that we know the benefit of potato on the skin, let's go ahead and prepare it by washing and peeling the potato. Now once the potato is peeled, I'm going to cut it in small pieces for easier blending. Now potato also contains potassium, which hydrates and moisturizes the skin. It also removes dead skin cells and the impurity from the skin. Just an amazing ingredient. So now that this is done, we are going to combine all the ingredients together. So now let's put all the ingredients together. We have our potato, our parsley, and now we're adding our tomato to the bowl. And what we're going to do with this, we are going to put this in a blender and we are going to blend. So now after blending, what we're going to do, we are going to scoop this in an ice tray since we're going to freeze this mixture. take a look. And now we're going to put it away to freeze overnight. And here it is. Take a look at our cubes. And what you can do with this, you can place this in a zip locker bag. And whenever you're ready to use, you just take a cube and apply it to your face. So now I'm going to show you how to use this on your skin for best result. So here is my treatment, and to apply, you simply want to rub it on the affected area. Now if you have spots and blemishes all over your face, you're gonna rub this all over your face, and this thing feels actually great. Oh wow, this is good. So let me zoom in for you to see exactly what is happening. And it's cold, but it's tolerable because it's not like you're holding it at one spot. You're actually just moving it all over your face or wherever you choose to apply the treatment. And you see my bar is going, and it is also leaving the residue on the face, which is great. So, and you want to continue to do this until your bar is totally melted. Ooh, this feels great. Let me go up under the eyes, since this is also great for removing dark under eyes circle. Ooh, nice. You're just gonna rinse this off. Oh wow, fantastic, amazing. Wow, this is, oh wow, this is nice, this is nice, this is nice. Okay, so then you just want to do a little extra rubbing, and I'm going under the eyes. So after the application, you want to rinse off with cold water. So you can use this treatment every day, and with continuous use, eventually you're going to notice your skin starting to look much cleaner, much brighter, much fresher, and you definitely will be having a radiant glow. So there you have it. I know some of you might be wondering about this video. This is actually an older video of mine. However, this remedy is so awesome that I decided to share the video over with you, since I have so many of you that might not have seen this video. Okay, so that's the reason for, you know, I might look a little different in that video. Anyway, thank you for watching. Give the video a thumbs up if you like it. Also share the video and leave your comment. Also guys, if this is the first time watching and you want to see more of these videos, just look below. You're going to see the word subscribe. Just click on it and you will be subscribed. It's simple as that. However, you need to take an extra step by turning on a notification on your phone or whatever device that you watch this channel on. Thank you all, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.